So I've got 3 projects in the making. One, I've got to replace not that, but this, the bearings and the spindle. Almost forgot what it's called. On my Grasshopper mower, I may have 2 to replace, but I think this is the one that they didn't replace. Step over here because hey, it's the hardest one to get to. And I got another set of pulleys for this thing, and they all match that pulley. So that kind of tells me that those 2 over there have been replaced, and that one hasn't. Now, besides that, this winter, we've got, let me step back here, my old Jimmy. She's getting some work done on her. One, I'm going to put a step on it. Of course, you can't really see, but they're just a standard black step. Okay, just a quick view, what they look like. And I know chrome would look better, but paint lasts longer. I'm 6'1", and it's not impossible for me to get in. I don't have to jump to get in, but I do get a little tired of having to lift to get in. And our last project is that engine. Small block 400. She's a little tired. The flywheel's gone bad. It's just time. I figure if I've got to pull the engine to change the flywheel, because I'm not fighting that monster transfer case. All about 300 pounds of it laying up underneath here. So I will just pull the engine and overhaul it. Plain and simple. Just overhaul it. Sounds like fun, don't it? But first we will have to get that out of the way. And possibly put those on. And then I need to clean up all my room over here. So I've got stuff laying all over the place in here. Like my engine rack. Call that engine rack. Engine stack. Ford, Chevy transmission, Ford transmission. I got way too much Ford stuff. Oh, there's even a lift for a lawnmower. Engine hoist. I'm about ready to get started here. There's parts out of that little V6 I tore apart. You can see that one rod busted off. That was fun to get apart. I'm going to set up an engine stand. So we got water pumps and some other odds and ends. Got to rig up some pulleys so I can fire up this Chevy and run it and see just how good or bad a shape it's in. So that's it. That's a preview of what's going to be coming up later. Stick around. Get to watch me have all kinds of fun. Have a good day. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Electric seats in a 76 Blazer. Not Blazer, but Jimmy. They're out of a Ford anyway. Have a good day. Bye.